Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Spring and St. Patrick's Day are right around the corner. So today I'm going to show you how to do a green eyeshadow look. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. I started my look with Becca's Backlight Primer and smoothed it all over my skin for a smooth, radiant look. Next, I used Lancome's Tinted Ultra Care and Glow Foundation to even up my skin tone. For blurring and to set my makeup, I used Laura Mercier's translucent powder all over my face. For contouring and bronzing, I used Milk's Matte Bronzer Stick in Baked and placed it on the hollows of my cheeks, on the top of the forehead, and on the sides of my nose. And then just blend it out. For blush, I used NARS The Multiple Blush in Orgasm. Then I went in and used a large fluffy brush for blending. Then for highlighter, I used Lancome's Dual Finish in Sparkling Peach on the tops of my cheekbones. For eyes, I started with the Too Faced palette in Better Than Chocolate and swiped the buttercream shadow all over my eyes from lash to brow. I then used L'Oreal's Infallible Eyeshadow in Golden Emerald on my lids. I layered it a couple of times for more impact. I also wrapped it under my eyes for framing. To anchor the look, I used Lancome's Art Liner in Noir on the top of my lash bed. And then used Lancome's Stylo Waterproof Liner, also in Noir, in my lower water well. For shape and definition, I used the color Nice Buns in my crease. I also put the same shade just under the green eyeshadow on my bottom lash line. This will make the green shadow pop even more and look a little more intense. To clean up my under eyes and to help with shadow fallout, I used Lancome's Tinted Concealer. To finish the eye look, I used Lancome's Definisal's mascara to my lower lashes. I already have DIY lashes on, so I didn't have to do my top lashes. If you would like more information on DIY lash extensions, click on my video in the notes below. I filled in my brows with Lancome's Shaping Pencil to balance the eye look. For lips, I used Lancome's El Absolute Rouge lipstick in Amanda and lined them with Revlon's Color Stay liner in Chocolate. I then added Lancome's El Absolute Gloss in number 213, and here's the final look. Green eyeshadow is so much fun and a great way to bump up any neutral look. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.